everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be making a DIY Lego organizer. This Lego organizer is very easy to make. For that you will need square pages. I'm using 21 cm by 21 cm and 14.5 cm by 14.5 cm, but you can use any size, but they should be square. And you will also need some labels. If you have more colors of Lego, then you can obviously go ahead and work with more squares depending on the quantity of the color of the Lego pieces. So basically you just have to fold a piece of paper as I'm folding it right here. This part is a little tricky, so you have to pay a little bit more attention here. Now you have to do the same with the rest of the square pages. Now arrange all the boxes together. I'm arranging them this way, but you can do the way you like. Now you have to paste these together using glue or tape. Just be sure that it holds the boxes strongly. And now it's time to stick all the labels to the boxes. So this was all from today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for watching more videos. Bye everyone!